Welcome to the blizzard. It's coming from somewhere in Austria at the Rome Lodge. It's all about riding, drinking beers, and having fun with the boys.
And one girl.
Oh yeah, and there's one girl. Anna. Hand plans.
All right, Josh, you want to tell us what you do over there at Rome?
Yeah, I'm one of the founders at Rome, and you know I do a whole bunch of different stuff, the business stuff and the marketing stuff, both. I think the Rome Lodge really expresses who we are. The tagline is, you know, snowboarding's a whole lot better than trade showing, you know, and we believe that, and so that's why we do the lodge.
Hey, can you rap?
Oh yeah, you know, just about as much as anyone from Vermont can. Yo, 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 Austria, dope, shit, sports.
Why do you carry a trout in your pocket?
You never know when you're gonna need a pocket trout.
Have you seen the trout?
Yeah. Oh, it's a pocket trout! Oh, the pocket trout!
Trout.
Yeah, trout.
I want to thank my sponsors, fucking Sully's, Irish Whiskey, Battle Lesbians, Pocket Trout.
Who got your guys' hair? Hey, you got the horn for that one over there, do you? How do you guys like snowboarding? That sucks.